I'm Hamza, Amir's dad.
I'm Amir.
We're at the Benz dealership. Thanks to Don and them that was able to find me a CLA AMG from Chicago and got it here right on time for my son's birthday. Black on black, just like how he wanted it. So we came and surprised my son for his 16th birthday. That boy doesn't think it's his yet, man.
Love
you too, kid. It's the car you asked for. What do you love about the car?
It's a Benz.
You asked for a CLA. What do you love
best
about
cars on the market? The interior mainly is black on black. Especially the stitching that y'all do and the ambient light.
I worked with Don. I've been working with Don for years now. Yep. Don and Bob, they were both great. Easy process. Easy process. There you go, Mary. You got to drop it off now. You ready to drive it off? Thank you guys, everybody at Feldman's.